Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to 928 OBS. So today we got another video dealing with lights, so stay tuned. Okay, so today we're gonna be installing LED reverse lights on this thing, and I already have some LED reverse lights on this, but I was contacted by the company on Instagram saying that they wanted to send me some lights for this thing, and you know, why not? So we're gonna be trying them out right now, seeing how they work and seeing how they compare to the ones that I already have. So anyways, let's get right to it. So this is the company that reached out to me, LASFIT. And like I said, they were nice enough to reach out to me and say if I wanted to try out a set of their LED lights. And what they ended up sending me was these super cool reverse lights. Now, these things look pretty damn cool. Like, they look like they should be on a alien spaceship or something. I don't know. They're pretty cool. So let me get them out of the packaging real quick. By the way, here's all the info on them. And I believe that's the part number for them. There we go. Come out. So this is basically what you get. They have, let's see, 10 LED chips on this thing. They are aluminum, and they actually feel really nice. They have a nice weight to them. Now, I believe these are about 600 lumens per bulb, so 1200 lumen total for pair. So they should be pretty bright, and I think this is like this whole like backing up lighting thing should be pretty well improved with all these lights that I'm adding to this thing. And you'll see in a couple of videos why I'm doing all this stuff to the truck. But anyways, let's throw these on the truck. It shouldn't be too hard. All you gotta do really is remove these two bolts on the inside of the bulb of the housing, and then these two other lights on the outside. And by the way, just in case you're wondering about these tinted, or I guess smoked tail lights, I have a video that I'll leave somewhere around right here if you wanna learn how to smoke your tail lights. So like I said, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver to remove these. 2 on the inside, 2 on the outside, and just pull it out. So now that you have your housing out, all you gotta do is just twist off the LED light in there. And as you can see, like I said, I already had LED light bulbs on this thing. I didn't even remember, to be honest, what kind I had, but let me pull them off real quick. There we go. And actually, these are pretty cool. Kind of forgot this is what I had. And these have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 9 LED strips on this. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, yep. So 9 chips on this. So in theory, just by ship count, that should be brighter. So we'll see. Pop this one back in. The nice thing about these is that they have no polarity, so you can put them in however you want. Snap them back in. Feels good. Twist it back into the housing, and just simply put all your bolts back in. And just like that, we're done. So now, one thing that will actually probably affect the light output of any of these bulbs is the fact that this the lens for the backup light is a little bit dull already after 20 some years that it's been on there. So anyways, it's not really dark right now, but I still want to turn the backup lights on right now real quick and see how it looks. So right now during the daylight, you can't really tell much of a difference between the two. So I'm gonna come back out when it's dark and actually test them out, where you can really see a difference. If you can notice a difference at all. like I said, these things were already LED, the ones that I had on there, and they were pretty good. But you know, it's always nice to try out new things, and if you can find something that works better than what you have, you know, why not? But so far I like them, you know, because so far they are just as bright as these bulbs that I had in it, which I already liked. So anyways, we'll come back out here when it's dark and see the difference if there's... Okay, so it's a bit darker right now, and as you can see, they're both pretty much the same. They work really well, and I don't think you could really go wrong with either one of these. While we've got this thing right here, I want to show you the difference between you know, just the backup lights on the truck and then the little light bars that I installed in the last video. As you can see, it makes quite a bit of difference. So yeah, it was definitely worth it installing that light bar, those little light bars that I did in the last video. If you want to see that video, I'll leave a link to it somewhere over here. But as far as the LASFIT, yeah, bulbs, I think they were great. Like I said, I was really happy with the ones that I already had, and these work just as good. So I definitely give them, you know, a big fat thumbs up, and I'll leave a link to them down in the description if you guys want to check them out and get them for yourself. I think they are a great replacement to your halogen bulbs, and you know, I think they're a solid upgrade. I think they'll be, you know, I think they'll work really good. Like I said, you can't tell much of a difference from the ones that I already had because they were already LED, and they were pretty good too. But if you compare them to your stock halogen light bulbs, these things will be way brighter. At least mine were from the ones that I already had in this truck. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Again, I want to give a huge thanks to LASFIT for sending us those bulbs. They worked great. I was really happy with them. They were really well built, and they light up the back of the truck really nicely. They're going to be a lot of help backing up at night, along with those LED light bars that I installed in the previous video. I'll leave a link down in the description to their website, so you can check it out and find anything you might need for your car or truck. They have bulbs for pretty much anything you're looking for. And give a like to this video if you liked it, if you found it helpful. Leave any comments about anything related to our trucks that you might have, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one.